Hi, welcome back. So far, we have been using Python terminal and Python shell actually to test Python commands and statements, see how they work. But in real life, when you're programming in Python, you would mostly be creating script files and saving them in your computer and running them as opposed to going straight to the Python shell and running it. The shell is very useful when you are learning all these different commands that we have been learning so far, but then the Python scripts are where they all come together to create real Python programs. So in this video, we're just going to see a simple example of how a Python script file will look like. It's not going to be anything elaborate. It is just going to be a simple Python file that we will create, save, and then try executing it. For this, we're going to switch to the Sublime Text Editor. We covered the installation and setup of this in an earlier video, so I hope you went through that and set this up. Or if you are using a different editor of your choice, that's fine too. You just want to be able to have an editor open where you can start typing Python files and saving them and executing them. So I'm in Sublime Text. So these are all the different folders I've been using to create my Python programs. I just created a new folder, YT for YouTube, Python Basics. You can name your folder anything you like. There is no real significance for it. You can name it anything you want. What I'm going to be doing now is right click and say new file. And I can start typing a Python command here. So the simplest is obviously a print. So I'm just going to print, say hello world. You can save it. Let's just save it as hello world.py. So that is the extension .py that you would use to save your Python programs. Save it, and to run it, you go to Tools and then Build. Or as you can see, there is a shortcut for it. You can use F7 and do it and execute it too. So it's now running. As you can see, hello world got displayed, and it's also giving you how long it took to run. But we got the output we wanted, and you can change it. So I'm going to add a few exclamation marks. I'm going to save it. As you can see, the save has a different shortcut key, Command S. So if you start using these shortcut keys, it'll just make this process very smooth, very seamless. You don't need to go to the menu every time. So the next time we'll just do Command S to save it. And to run it, I'm going to use the F7 that we saw earlier. So I did F7, which is tools run, right? And we got the output with the exclamation. That's basically how you would create Python script files. So going forward in our examples, we're going to be creating script files and running them. We may switch back to the Python shell for some commands, but predominantly we're going to be creating script files from now on because we're now getting into some higher level constructs in Python language. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.